From the warmth of October, remember that? Feels like we skipped fall altogether and went right into winter. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Nick Bannon explains why we are so much colder than we ought to be.
It's hard to believe last Friday's high temperatures were in the low 70s. Today, completely different story as cold air has taken over. The reason we've had such a change in the week is the jet stream. This is an area of strong winds high in the sky that helps to guide storm systems along. It also helps separate cold air to the north from warmer air to the south. And when it makes these huge dips like it has over the eastern half of the country, it helps to allow cold air to move in. It's also brought with it an area of low pressure and an Arctic cold front. That cold front is the leading edge of the cold air that arrived this morning with just a few rain and snow showers. But now that the front has moved through, the colder air can rotate in around this area of low pressure, bringing temperatures well below average for this time of year. And of course, the coldest air is yet to come as we go into tonight. I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Nick Bannon.